Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to be forging a pair of wolf jaw tongs. If you're not familiar with these, they're basically a combination of a few different sizes of ring tongs and a pair of bolt tongs. I don't particularly like this design of tongs, but I guess if you're starting out and you want to keep the number of tongs you have to make to a minimum, they are a workable solution. I just feel for maximum holding power, you really can't beat a pair of tongs that are designed to hold one bar stock. So this is going to be a lot of just basic forging. It's the pretty much the traditional way of making tongs. When you're forging things out, again, you can use any type of bar stock that you have around. I'm using 3/8 by 3/4 here, but a 3/4 inch round bar or a 5/8 square bar will probably give you roughly the same volume of metal. You're moving the metal around, so what you start with isn't important as long as you have that right volume of metal, and you can push it around wherever you need it.